Welcome back to the Jimny build. If you guys haven't been watching, we got this car for an absolute steal and we took it four-wheel driving in the last video. We've given it a quick rinse off, it looks good, but I'm a little bit sad, but also excited because today we're saying goodbye to the Jimny and it's going to the paint and body shop where we're gonna get this thing completely fixed up, a new fresh paint job, different color. It's gonna look amazing. This Jimny is pushing 30 years now. It's wild to think that something from 1996 is already 30 years old. But I'm sure you know, a 30-year-old car does come with a few things that need attention, especially with K cars. K cars are not, you know, super structurally built and all that kind of stuff. They are definitely more of the cheaper put together cars that you can get from Japan, but they're still a lot of fun and you can fix them. There's a lot of parts available for them. Jimnys generally develop an issue in this corner here. It's actually kind of similar to Jeeps. So that's all going to be getting replaced, most likely cut out, new plate welded in there, or they'll actually just go and change that whole panel there. It's a panel that you can still order and replace and it's not too difficult. These cars come apart quite good. So otherwise though, the thing's in pretty good shape. So this thing's gonna come back looking mint with a whole new fresh coat of paint, looking good, any kind of rust repaired. I'm pretty excited. And of course, I need to make sure I say a massive thank you to FORWARD for partnering with us on this build. If you need a car exported out of Japan, if you wanna buy your very own Jimny, go to bforward.jp. That aside though, let's get this thing loaded up onto the truck. Jimny's all loaded up, on its way to the body shop.
The next day.
Today is a big day because any moment now, Daiki is about to come around this corner with the loader truck and the Jimny is on it and it is done. The guys absolutely smashed out the paint and bodywork. The shop where it was at is called Momotaro and it's one of FORWARD's close partners. So they were able to get it done with very short notice. So I'm really stoked and I cannot wait to see it. I think the color overall, I think we picked something really good, but I haven't seen it in person yet.
Different too.
Is it different?
Yeah,
really though?
Yeah.
Can't wait to do things to this Jimny.
I mean, we had a little bit of too much of a fun one on that last one.
Now that it's got nice paint on it, I don't know.
Can't roll it?
No, Jimnys, well, you can't roll it, of course, but like Jimnys are definitely meant to, what do you call it? Be driven and used for what they were intended for.
Yeah.
They're literally so good.
Yeah.
I cannot get over how much fun we had. I'm already talking to May and I'm like, we need like 2 more Jimnys, maybe another mini Pajero.
Too much time on the site to look for like a cheap deal and nice deal.
We're trying to hunt down some deals because that was way too much fun. Could you imagine Rudnick here with a couple of those, me and him? Oh, 100% we'd end up rolling. But anyways, we're gonna focus on this one. We're gonna do this build. And then when we're done, I think we're definitely gonna need some more.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think Daiki took a break at the Family Mart to get a Fami Chiki or something. He was like, I'm right around the corner. We'll be here any moment. It's been like 5 minutes now. Or he got stuck in traffic. But I mean, I don't know. He was right around there. He probably stopped at Family Mart for a Fami Chiki, let's be honest. I would.
A lot of people who visit to the shop stop for a Fami Chiki.
They'll be eating a Fami Chiki on the walk here.
On the walk here, yeah.
It's very convenient, isn't it?
Where is he?
Daiki!
Probably lost the key.
I hear it. I bet you it looks great.
Yeah.
Hey.
Whoa!
That looks so much better. It looks,
It
like a new car.
Yeah. Completely new one.
Dude, so much better than that blue. And you know what I'm excited about? Doesn't say Wild Wind down the side anymore.
No, we need Wild Sam.
Wild Salmon, yeah, Wild Dammit Salmon, yeah. Dude, it looks so good. All right, we gotta unload this, but May, you keep filming. We'll get this thing off the truck ASAP, and I can't wait to look at it. There's only 5 days left for you to get a free Garrett Turbo. This turbo package is like $5 grand right here. And then you also have the opportunity of getting an Evo Pro wheelbase with one of their steering wheels as well as a package. Both of these big ticket items are left, and with only 5 days left, the chances are pretty good in your favor. So make sure you head to sammit.net right now, place an order. Anyone that gets any merch every single day, we are giving them a free gift. And 2 of those days, they're gonna get one of these items. Go to sammit.net, place an order, get yourself a HKS Sammit collab shirt or anything else on the online store. Digital purchases are welcome as well. And best of luck, everyone. It looks so good. I really like this color. Reminds me of like a coffee.
Like a what?
Like a coffee.
Coffee.
Yeah.
Oh, like a latte?
Yeah, like a latte. Right, then put it there,
My God. The front looks so different. Oh my gosh.
What a glow up, right?
Huge glow up.
Huge glow up. Hang on, let's pop the hood. Dang, they knocked it out of the park. What? Dude, I think they paint this.
Yeah,
too. It
I
looks
think
amazing.
so.
Oh wow, look, they even did all in here too. So we obviously didn't get the engine bay done. There's no need for that. But gosh, the bottom of the hood's done. All this looks beautiful. I cannot wait to tidy things up in the engine bay compartment.
I know. Dang. Now it looks.
It looks too good now. Okay, we'll wait till Daiki finishes parking the truck so you guys can hear us.
Yeah.
They painted this black, so there's no more like wild wind stuff on that either. The logo's black. Dude, I love how this looks. Now just envision this, right? Right now it comes to here, my shoulder, right? Imagine it coming to here or here. And then some big boys, you know, maybe a little bit louder exhaust or something, I don't know, but like, this thing looks sick. I love it. This is totally like the, I mean like.
I feel like it's a little too posh for your standards, Sam.
No, like it's
of
just,
your...
it looks good, all right?
Yeah,
It's
it looks
the
very
first time
good.
I've done like a cream kind of color on any car, and I think it looks amazing. Honestly, like this with black eccentrics is exactly what we need. I think once we start getting into it, we start bolting some more stuff onto it, like some of the mods we have planned, it's gonna really turn this thing into something else.
Yeah.
So you guys are gonna have to watch in the next video because we start unboxing some of that stuff and bolting it on and transforming this thing. But like, I am so stoked on how this turns out. It honestly looks amazing, and it's a full indoor spray too.
Yep.
So it's
Also
all
the
done
roof.
nice.
Remember the surface rustle that was on the roof?
Yep, all of that got dug out and cleaned up. There was some rust issues in this corner too, so they had to pull all that out, weld the plate in, and you know, the usual kind of stuff there, fix all that up, bit of putty and stuff. But I can't get over how good the grills and stuff look. Needs a big bump, like bull bar though.
Yeah.
I know Japan doesn't have roos or anything like that jump in front of you, but in Australia, like, you don't drive an off-roader or a 4x4 without a massive bull bar so that kangaroos bounce off you.
Oh,
yeah. Kangaroos are a big issue in Australia now.
I see. That's why they have the bars.
It's equivalent of like Canada and moose or deer in the US.
But how
Deer's
much?
a big thing here too, actually,
Yeah, true.
Up in the mountains. Yeah.
I love how it looks from the front with this.
No, it looks entirely different.
I know we want to do a different build, but it.
I don't want to do a different build. What do you mean?
No. I meant the front. Like, we're going to put a different thing on it, right?
Maybe. You'll have to find out. We have some things. But, like, it looks so good. And we also had them do the undercoating too. I want to make sure that this
Yes. Oh.
had some
Yeah.
protection under there, because obviously it's going to get driven through water and stuff. So everything's been like, painted black and stuff and coated. So that's got that special coating as well, so that it prevents like rust, corrosion prevention stuff.
Yeah.
Like winter stuff, like the stuff you put on.
Yeah.
So it looks really, really good. Honestly, what a freaking glow up. I love how, one, you can get these cars for like so cheap. Like you can find them for $1,000 and then put another couple thousand into them and you're still like for a paint job and they're still cheaper than what you could buy an S13, S14, S15 for, or Land Cruisers.
And you
or
can
like
go
you can't even
hard
get a
on that.
crap Land Cruiser for less than like
True.
20, 15.
True.
So like the fact that we can still get all the same feels. I mean,
Yes.
let's be honest.
Yes.
Land Cruiser's got a lot more engine displacency than this, but you can still have as much fun as you can and cram all your mates in this, and it'll be a good time.
Yeah. Hugo called this a monster truck.
Monster truck? Well,
Even if it was the old paint,
he's
said
gonna
it's
definitely
monster
call
truck.
it a monster truck when we're done with it. But I'm just so excited. Daiki, what do you think? Do you like the new paint? It's good.
Good.
Do you want one?
No.
So my plan is 4 Jimnys, and we go back to Sagomihara. 4 of us just mobbing.
Yeehaw?
Yeehaw?
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw?
No, you gotta put more.
Remember the yeah.
Yeehaw ね。
I'm so excited, man. This turned out so good. I didn't even know what to do now. We gotta get some temp tags. We gotta obviously get this thing legal.
Man, the yellow light even looks really good on this.
It does. It matches the black and the paint. I need some help, guys. All right. I know we had the Jeep for a little bit at Rudnick's shop, and then we've got the Escalade, right?
Yeah,
I don't know
not
why.
the Colorado.
I don't know why I kept calling it the Colorado, but like obviously I've driven these things and had fun with like off-road stuff before, but I don't really know like the first thing that we need to do modding wise. So let me know in the comment section what you guys want to see. But this is going to be a very fast-paced build. I think we're planned out like the next few episodes. This will be finished. Like we're gonna build this whole thing out. We're trying to do. Whenever we get a new project, just boom, 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 done. And then next. So I'm very stoked. I think this is turning out to be really cool. Dang, man, it looks so good. Everywhere looks good. Oh, yes. Locking hubs, not locking diffs. I learned that too. They're called locking hubs. But I mean, the principle's the same, right? We just connected the hub to the diff that was already moving, right? Such a rookie thing. And you know what? I now wonder if they were even working on Rudnick's Jeep. No, because that's literally how the Jeep felt. You'd put it into 4 low and rage up the hill and it wouldn't move. So I think the fronts were never locking. That makes total sense.
I mean,
go back and watch those videos.
Yeah.
We
it's a whole Netflix
nearly
series.
Chris nearly disappeared.
Yeah.
That's one of my favorite videos though. Oh man. All right. Well, this is it. This is where the Jimny's at. You let me know down in the comment section. What do you think? I think the color was a good decision. I think it's gonna match with the whole like off-roader camper kind of vibe thing. I think we got a lot still to do, which you'll see in the next video. Things will start evolving quickly. But yeah, like, comment,
And
share,
we go back,
subscribe.
right? Again.
Oh, for sure.
Okay,
Once
good.
this thing's done and we've done our mods, and lifted it and get some nicer stuff on there, I definitely want to feel the difference.
Yeah.
So, Daiki will have to show us.
We're going back again. So what do you say?
Yeehaw!
All right, guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Don't forget to check out the link in the description if you want to get a car from Japan. Thank you, Be Forward, for this build. And I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Jamata.